Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Here is your weekly lineup. So you're going to decide if you're going to tune in or not. I'm going to let you know which fragrances, what series is happening. Usually I'm pretty good at it, except for this week. Today it's Sunday. You're supposed to have a sampling Sunday. YouTube's not my business, so I don't care. But I do care. I do want to get some content in, but at the same time, a lot of stuff trumps YouTube for me. It's not a money maker for me. So let's get into it. I have a solid week. I think a lot of people are going to like this week, especially if you're a niche head. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. And for the designers, I do have designer heads out there, I do have something for you, but it is mainly niche, I'll be honest, this week. A lot of things I'm actually looking forward to. So let's get into it. On Monday, you had a little teaser the other day on Etat Libre's Rien Intense Essence. I unboxed it, but the full video unboxing and first impression will be launched on this Monday. So tomorrow you're going to see, and this is obviously, it's already been done. So that has already been unboxed. Moving on, it will give me Tuesday and Wednesday to kind of take a break. Tuesday, I'm going to do a subscriber's choice again. I really liked the subscriber choice of last week's for sampling samples on Saturdays, which the winner is right here. I'm going to let you know about the winner. Next is our test drive Thursday, and it is the brand of Atkinson's. I don't talk about Atkinson's at all, hardly on my channel, but this is my only bottle from the brand in my collection. This one called Pirates Grand Reserve. So I've had a chance to wear it quite a bit, and I'm gonna have a video, a test drive on that, letting you know all about Pirates Grand Reserve. Cool name. That's why I bought this one. Next, on Friday, you're gonna get another unboxing, so you're getting double duty here, another Xerjoff. As you know, I bought a bunch and I gotta get rid of them. I gotta open them up, and I have to do it on camera. That's the life of a YouTuber. I can't do it just by myself going hee hee hee. No, I can't. So this one, which one are we unboxing this week? Luxar. This one I think is gonna be a good one. I blind bought this because I was looking through the Xerjoff lineup and I was like, this might be right up my alley. So Luxar on Friday. Now, Saturday and Sunday, you're gonna have an action-packed weekend. No. Double sampling samples. As you know, sampling Sunday is always fun, and we are going to continue to do that, but Saturday is the subscriber's choice that you voted in. It was the designer edition. We had not too many votes, but hopefully it'll pick up the more I do this. But this one, the winner was Le Mal Elixir. So a lot of you want to know what this thing is. Hyped to the max. I've already worn it once. Yeah, I've already worn it once. Initial impression, I'll give you a little teaser. A little overhyped. It's good, but it's not, at least in the first wearing, it's not anything that I'm just like, oh my God, best designer in years. No, it really is fitting that realm of designer. No real Le Mal release is like a classic, except for the original. Honestly, maybe Fleur du Mal is pretty good. I'm looking at them right now. Yeah, nothing crazy. A lot of them are subpar, but some of them are actually pretty solid. That is going into that realm right now. However, longevity was really good on that one. So again, it was the first day of testing. I got tons of testing to do on that one. And lastly, sampling Sunday, it is on a Amouage. This one is going to be Royal Tobacco. So that one will be interesting. So we have an action-packed week. Monday we got Eldo. Tuesday, subscriber's choice. Keep it tuned in for Tuesday. You want to vote on that one. It is a different line. It's going to be high-end designers, niche, and indie versus each other. Like, I'm trying to even the playing field a little bit and switch things up a little bit. And then, of course, Wednesday, you kind of get a little break from me. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Wow. A lot of content for me to do. I've already kind of planned everything out for these guys. The weekend has not been planned out, and that's what my whole week is about, is these two fragrances right here, sampling like crazy. So there's your week. I'd love love comments below in regards to you like these type of videos that I'm announcing my week, so you know if you're going to tune in or not. If you got nothing else to say, just say you're tuning in, or you're saying you're going to pass. I love seeing, you know, okay, what does my subscriber base want to see? And then I'll kind of gauge it. Absolutely love the feedback, so definitely don't be shy. But appreciate the support, definitely, and I think it's going to be a good week. We're going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.